Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am sharing with you sort of like a grocery haul, what I eat in a week, as well as just how I organize my meals for the week. So that's not all going to be done today, unfortunately. I am just far too busy with appointments, and I'm also juggling my Insta Interiors work as well. Yes, we are in lockdown, but I do clean a couple of businesses, so I'm still able to do that. So I'm just going to share a snippet with you today, and then a couple of more snippets with you throughout the week. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course if you do, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe, and of course turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And let's jump into this grocery haul. Okay, so this is part one of the grocery haul. This is from NQR. Which is like, I think it stands for not quite right. So basically everything, well, a lot of stuff is close to expiry or like discontinued lines and stuff like that. So these were 110 tablets for $18. This was only $2. These were $1.50. This was $4, this massive thing of Greek yogurt. These are normally like $6 for one thing, and this was $3. So was the other ones, which are the mango and carrot ones. And then I got some ice cream, which was $4, and these were two for $4. So normally I get like the Coles brand of vanilla yogurt, and they're $3 each. So that's already saved me like $2. And then these wipes were $2 for the 2-pack like that. These are just basically for Talia when we go out places. Of course, she had to have her French onion dip. That is a must-have for her to eat her veggies. So yeah, all up, I think it was $49. So I'm actually just going to start off by showing you snacks today. Okay, so the snacks that I'm making in the snack packs and the icy poles are actually not for me. They're actually for my daughter, because I don't know about you, but my child gets hangry. As soon as daycare is over, she wants to go home and she wants to eat the joint out. And obviously that is not the best practice if you want your child to actually eat their food. So what I do is I make up these little snack packs, and the little snack packs are with food and items that are not going to fill her up, and it's going to keep them occupied while you get dinner on. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by using the V8 juice here. This has got sweet potato, carrot, orange and apple in it, and this is just a great way of getting extra serves into your kids. And then I'm just putting in one of these molds here. So basically this is going to take her a while to eat one of these icy poles. Okay, so I did buy these from NQR. I did mention them in my before, and these ones are basically, they're pretty good. Like, I usually make my own stuff like this, so if you want to see something like this, I did make my not so Nutella balls, and I did put that recipe on my Instagram page, so you can find that on my feed if you'd like to see. So I'm just going to start making these up now. Okay, so this is the, basically, you could say the after work, after school, after daycare snacks. These are quite sweet. Using just bags of like sultanas like this, obviously they're not really going to fill them up too much, but it's going to save you so much money on those little tiny packets of sultanas. Okay, this is the next one, which is just yogurt. I'm just going to put it into one of these pouches. So I know you can buy pouches already from the supermarket, but this was literally $2 for the whole container. So yes, I got this from NQR. So yeah, it's so much cheaper. Even to buy the $3 one, it's still going to be way cheaper for you to buy a big one and fill up these than it is going to be for you to buy, you know, those individual pouches. And you're also saving the environment as well. So yes, definitely my recommendation. These ones here you can fill, and you can actually freeze them as well. So definitely worth the investment. Cool, and these are our other little snack packs we have. So these ones are the ones that I eat, but she also does snack on the carrots and the eggs as well. So she'll just have them with a bit of dip. I will probably cut some more carrots up, to be honest, because I will eat all those by myself if I could. And yeah, that's pretty much that pack as well. Okay, so this is the Aldi run. And this was literally $69. So when I put it out, it looks like I've really got no food. It doesn't go very far, does it, these days? So one of my best buys from Aldi would have to be their Raisin Toast, even though I'm not allowed to eat it anymore. It is literally, I think it's $1.70 for a loaf. So this one is even better than like the Coles Home brand, way better, and it's cheaper. Then obviously got the wholemeal bread, got bananas, so I usually go like some yellow ones obviously to eat straight away, and then the green ones, so then I've still got fruit for the end of the week. And then the same with the oranges, so I'll be eating sort of the bananas at the start of the week and the blueberries at the start of the week, and then the end of the week I'll have some other fresh fruit that I can still eat. Then I've got these chicken enchiladas. They're amazing. I really shouldn't eat it because they're gluten, but yes, I am, because they're so good. I have these beef sausages, which are gluten-free, and I'm going to cook these up, and then what I'll do is have a couple one night with some veggies, and then I'll make the rest into curried sausages. I don't know if I've showed you that, so if I haven't, I will show you that. And that is $69 worth from Aldi. Okay, so this is the salad that I've got prepared for tonight. So basically I've got cucumber, tomatoes, carrot, and lettuce. I'm just going to mix that up into a bowl with some tasty cheese, and then we are going to get some, it sounds weird, corn chips from the supermarket and crush them also through it. This is for our taco salad. So if you do want to encourage your kids to eat that little bit more, then I tried this trick when I was working at an old childcare centre and I was doing the cooking in the kitchen. So what I'd find is when I had them all separate, the kids would just want to eat the chips and they wouldn't want to eat anything else, as you would, like, if you got the choice. So yeah, when I crushed it through the actual salad, the kids ate the whole salad because the chips were crushed through, and all the educators come up and said to me, hey, can you keep doing that because the kids are actually eating the food. So that is what I have been doing since. Okay, so I've just got our taco mince on. I've got 800 grams of mince. I have a capsicum in there, and then I have some carrots and zucchini, which is also going in here. Then I will add my spices. I'm going to be guesstimating, but I will be writing it down as I do it to taste, and then I'll be able to put in the description box exactly what I've done for you guys. I always do to taste, so I'm going to be recording the measurements that I put in there so I can share it with you guys. So yeah, I'll just keep cooking that now. Okay, and this is what it looks like, a little bit of a close up. I just mixed it all together. Okay, so I have some diced pumpkin in here. Well, I can't really see it very well with the lighting. And then I have some carrot and also some sweet potato. And then I've just used some stock and I've just cooked it in that with some, obviously with some oil as well. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of garlic and add my sausages. And I do it a little bit differently than a lot of other people do. I actually add coconut cream or coconut milk to it, and then I put the curry powder in. So it just makes it like a creamy curry, and it's really delicious. And then I'm just going to add our brown basmati rice. So that is pretty much it. I know some people, oh, I need to put my peas in. I can't forget my peas. I usually do put the peas in the very last thing because I don't want overcooked peas. Basically, you can put sultanas and stuff in it. I know people do. I can't do it. It's like pineapple on pizza. I love it, but some people can't do it. And it's the same as sultanas. I just don't think they belong in a dinner. That's just me. don't know what your thoughts are. Anyway, I'm gonna grab those peas. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. Yummo! It's so, so good. Alright, so we are going to make a smoothie out of all of our stuff. And I wanted to make up some smoothie packs as well. So what we're going to do is just put bits and pieces of this in. I don't want it to be too banana-ish, but I want it to be sweet, so. A little tiny banana, ripe banana, isn't it? We have a handful of oats. Some sunflower seeds.
Hey, I wanted to do this.
Hang on. I will get you to do some, because only special helpers get to do these ones. Only special girls get to do this one.
So I'm a special girl and you're a special girl.
Yeah, can you tip some in?
Yeah.
Tip. Yep, that's probably, that's enough. That's more than enough.
What's this?
This is passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
And they're delicious. If I wasn't putting the yogurt in, I would add some orange, maybe some orange juice, like just freshly squeezed some juice. This is going to make it a little bit creamy without it being too creamy, hey? Then I'm just going to fill up the thing with coconut water up to just the highest one. And then you can refreeze these and make icicles out of them if you've got lots and lots. And that is pretty much it. I'm going to go and chuck it through the blender. Yeah.
We make this all the time with all my holidays. Yum! Very, very yum.
Okay, do you want me to put that in a cup for you now?
Yes! Get a tall piece for me. Get a bigger piece for me. Get a bigger piece for me. Get a bigger piece for me.
There you go. Thanks, Mummy.
This time ever.
Okay, in the kitchen again, guys. Today I'm just doing the Pete Evans butter chicken recipe. So I've basically just got some pumpkin, some carrot. I'm going to add some sweet potato. His recipe is literally just chicken and onion with all these spices. Yeah, you can see there's lots because basically this is a meal from scratch, so it's not out of a jar or a container. Like, this is the most preservatives you're going to get in it, and you can't get any cleaner than that, or obviously this as well. He does say to use fresh garlic, obviously. So yeah, if you've got digestive issues, you want things that are gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, then this is a great recipes and cookbooks to go with. So I'm just going to chuck all this in now, and I will go down to the supermarket and just add some sweet potato as well. I would put onion in it, but I'm not allowed to have onion at the moment, which I think I've mentioned before. But yeah, so I'm just going to add all this stuff, and I'm not really going to go into it too much because you guys can make it yourself. It's not my recipe, so I will leave a link in the description box below for you. This is what it looks like with all the herbs in. And what I do is I let this cook for a bit, and when it's like 3/4 the way cooked, I will add the chicken, which I usually add from frozen. So I've already got frozen diced chicken. That way, when I have it and it's fully cooked, it's not like overcooked chicken. I know a lot of the time when I used to do slow cook meals, I feel like it was just gamey and overcooked. So this is the way that I sort of overcome that a bit. It's weird, isn't it? Like, because people say that you can put your cheaper cuts of meat in it and it makes it heaps better, which I do agree with that. But then I find like chicken, I found it can get a bit gamey. So this is just what I do anyway. Okay, and that's what it looks like when it's finished. Yes, it does burn around the pot, the sauce does, but I think that's just my cooking, but yes, it is yum. I'm just gonna make up some cauliflower rice and then that one is ready to go. Thank you all so much for watching. I know it's something a little bit different, but I'm hoping that you still enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up so I know to continue to make more videos like this in the future. And of course you can catch me over on Instagram and on Facebook during the week, and I will catch up with you next week with a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.